Hey YouTube, so I don't know if any of you have expertise on these Powkiddy devices. I bought a RGB20SX from the actual website. I got the blue one, and it worked fine at first. Even added another ROMs folder. Sorry. Anyways, I bought one originally off Amazon, and it came with the case. Everything was fine. Then installed it. I think it came with Gel OS on it, and I learned you can put arkos on it. Installed that. It was perfect. It was the black one. And it came with the little case, all that. But this puppy chewed it up. So I ordered one off Amazon from the same seller, and I got this, a clone. And it came, I don't even know what it came with installed on it, but I found a hacked version, or I guess it's hacked version of K36, and flashed it to an SD card, and it works. Although this thing here, I let the battery drain all the way because it would not shut off. This is the SD card. That's the original. I think it has Rocknix on it. It worked, but I didn't like it, so I put arkos on it. It worked also. That's the games ROM, or the SD card with the easy ROMs folder. It worked fine until for some reason it wouldn't shut down. It would just restart. So I figured, well, let the battery drain. Somebody said do that. Another said to pull the battery, which I did not do. I just let it completely drain. Now it doesn't do anything. Just a green light. Now there is no SD card in it right now, but problem is, even with any SD card in it, the original, the arkos, this one I tried arkos again and installed this Rocknix. Tried that one. Used Etcher. Also have the device taken apart. It's really easy to do. Just 6 screws. Pulled the battery. Let me put this SD card in it because that's got a fresh version of Rocknix on it. See if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Okay. Same problem. Nothing. My SD card's in there. So I am pretty much at a loss because I've tried every suggestion online. See, this thing works. Stupid little clone. These aren't relatively cheap, but they're not really expensive. This thing was $80 straight from their website, but now it's just a brick. So I don't know what to do. Return it. If anybody has suggestions on this thing, I've tried fresh installs of the different versions of arkos, so I'm kind of at a loss. Also, shout out to the YouTuber Sketch Art. He made those from spray paint. Any help would be greatly appreciated. I've not actually had this problem. Somebody said you can ruin the battery's firmware, but if you put a fresh install, it should fix it, but so far it has not fixed it. I just get this, and that's it. No, screen's not coming to life at all. Nothing. So, any help be appreciated. Thank you.